Naija Food Tube.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Niger Food Tube. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my delicious Gizdodo. Gizdodo is a dish that can be eaten alone or as a side dish. So, for today's recipe, I'll be using ripe plantain, salt, seasoning cube, spring onion, carrots, green bell pepper, onion, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, that's atarodo, some tomatoes, cooked gizzard, vegetable oil. This is the stock from the cooked gizzard. I'll start by cutting my gizzards into smaller bits. I'm actually slicing and cutting into tiny cubes. Yeah, this is what it looks like after cutting. Yeah, after cutting, I'll set aside and continue with my plantain. I'll cut the plantain, cut the top and the tip of the plantain. I'll open up the skin of the plantain with a knife. I'll cut into two and start cutting into bits. Okay. I'll repeat this process until I'm done cutting the remaining plantain. I'll set this plantain aside. I'll continue by cutting the tomatoes into like 2 to 3 portions. I'll do the same with the red bell pepper. And pour into a blender. I'll add some amount of water, not too much. And I'll blend slightly. To begin cooking now, I'll pour some vegetable oil into my skillet. I'll pour the diced plantain and allow fry until it turns golden brown. I'll set the fried plantain aside now. Yeah. I'll pour the gizzard into the skillet and allow fry too until it turns golden brown. The golden brown simply shows it's well fried. I'll remove and set aside. On to the next one now. I'll pour some diced onion and carrot into the skillet. Allow saute for a few minutes. I'll cover and allow fry until it's almost dry. I'll add the gizzard stock. I'll add the seasoning cube. I'll add some salt. I'll pour the curry and the thyme. And stir. Yeah. I'll cover for like 3 minutes. Yeah, I'll scoop some sauce into the plate and set aside. I'll pour my fried gizzard and stir. I'll allow fry for like 3 minutes. Yeah. I'll pour the spring onion, green bell pepper, and stir some more. Lastly, I'll add the fried plantain. I'll pour some of the remaining sauce I set aside earlier. With a thorough mix. I decided to add more sauce, yes, because I really want to feel more sauce in my Gizdodo. I'll stir some more and cover to fry for like 2 minutes. Yes, yummy, so yummy. My delicious Gizdodo is ready. I mean, as you can see, it's looking very nice. So make sure you try this at home, and please let me know what you think. Let me know how the whole thing goes, Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Ciao.